In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Shopify admin panel. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify or looking to manage your online store more efficiently, knowing how to access the admin panel is crucial for overseeing your business operations. The admin panel is where you'll find all the tools and settings you need to customize and optimize your store, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, just ensure it's updated for the best experience. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the address bar. This is the text field at the top where you can type in website addresses. In the address bar, you'll want to type shopify.com and then hit enter on your keyboard to navigate to the Shopify homepage. As the Shopify page loads, you'll notice a login button towards the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to be redirected to the login page. It's a simple click, but it's your gateway to managing your store. Now, if you haven't logged in before, you'll need your store name or domain, and your login credentials ready. This could be an email and password combination or, if you signed up with another service, the corresponding credentials. Enter these details in the respective fields and make sure to double-check for any typing errors to prevent login issues. For those using multi-factor authentication, you might be prompted to enter a verification code. This code is usually sent to your registered email or phone number, so have your mobile device or email account easily accessible. Enter the code in the field provided and proceed by clicking on the Verify button. Remember, this step adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that your store's data remains safe from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your store. Here, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side with various tabs like Home, Orders, Products, Customers, Analytics, Marketing, and more. Each of these tabs provides access to specific tools and information for different aspects of your store's operations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Hover over each section to see the options available, and don't hesitate to click around and explore. The more comfortable you are with navigating the admin panel, the easier it will be to manage your store effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully opened your Shopify admin panel. By regularly accessing and getting to know this space, you're equipping yourself with the tools you need to run a successful online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!